Hello everyone, today we are going to take apart this Honda ENS1. We will remove its original front bumper and replace it with an aftermarket one, then show you how it looks after installation. Right now, our technician is in the process of removing the front bumper. The original front bumper has now been removed. Next, let's assemble our aftermarket front bumper. Once assembled, we will install it onto the car and give you the demonstration of the final outlook. Now our aftermarket front bumper has been fully assembled, and we are ready to install it onto the vehicle. Let's take a look at how it fits and the final effect. Now we have installed the original vehicle grille onto our aftermarket bumper. As you can see, here is the original part, and here is the aftermarket one. The fit is exactly 1 by 1. Next, we will mount this front bumper onto the vehicle and show you the final result. This is our aftermarket front bumper already installed, and as you can see, the details fit perfectly and it is completely compatible to avoid scratches or paint damage during shipping. Our front bumpers are shipped unpainted. After receiving the product, customers can have them painted to match their vehicle's color. Our aftermarket front bumper is guaranteed to fit perfectly. We promise that if you receive the product and it does not fit during installation, we will issue a full refund. Please feel free to choose our product with confidence.